Greetings to everyone. Today I'm going to present my topic Beta and Systematic Risk Management under the subject Risk Management. The topic explains how we measure market risk and manage investments. First, let's understand what beta means. Beta is a measure of how much a stock or an investment reacts to change in the overall market. It represents systematic risk, which is the risk that affects the whole market and which cannot be avoided. This topic is important because investors use beta as a medium to understand risk and make better investment choices. So now let's understand its key concepts. First, beta helps us to measure the level of risk in an investment compared to the market. That is, if beta is equals to 1, the stock moves in the same speed as the market. If beta is more than 1, it is generally risky and riskier investment compared to the market. And if beta is less than 1, it is comparatively safe it, from the market and is more stable. So beta helps investors to clarify investments based on risk level. So now let's understand its working. Beta can be calculated using a formula. Beta equals covariance of a stock and market divided by variance of the market. In simple words, it compares stock return with market return. For example, if the market rises by 10% and the stock rises by 15%, then we get a beta of 1.5. That is, it is greater than 1. And that means the stock is more volatile and risky compared to the market. As if it was 1, it will be same as the market. But since it is more than 1, it is risky. So let's take a practical example. That is, in real life, different companies have different beta values. Technology companies usually have high beta since they are usually highly volatile, whereas FMCG and utility companies tend to have lower beta rates, so since they are more stable. During market crashes, high beta stocks fall first, while low beta stocks remain stable. So investors use beta to choose between safe and risky investments as their metric. Now let's see some advantages and disadvantages. Beta is easy to understand and helps in measuring market risk. It helps investors in portfolio management and decision making. However, it also has some limitations. It is based on past data and might not predict the future accurately. Also, beta changes over the time with market conditions. Hence, I would like to conclude by saying beta is an important tool for measuring systematic risk. It helps investors understand how risky a stock is compared to the market. By using beta, investors can manage risk and make better financial decisions. Therefore, beta plays a vital role in market investments and much more. Thank you.